All right, guys, here's the transformation of my dance. When I started in 2021 versus now in 2024, so 3 years to be exact. When I first started, I thought I was a really good dancer, but here's a video clip from back in the days. I'm dancing here with a dance partner, and you can see that I am very bouncy. There, I almost need her. It is a super cringe video, I know. Back then, I actually thought I was really good because I knew how to move to the music. I knew a couple of moves. Look at that. I just gave her a crazy quick hair comb. And even my turns are not very controlled, not very tight. And my feet are all over the place. And I'm jumping around. Look at that. Another comb over. Because the coolest move I knew. Look at that. I turn, you turn. Oh, look at that sexy body wave. Damn. I gotta say, she's dancing a lot better than I am. What do you guys think? Comment below. Oh, here we go. Here we go. More styling coming up. Processing. Here it comes. Here it comes. Look at this. Boom. Turned her. Oh, I gave the Indian shoulder bounce. Mixing in Bhangra with Bachata there. Wow, look at that turn. Oh, I turn, you turn. Oh, look at that girl. You impressed? Oh, double comb over. Super impressive. Wow, look at this. Oh, and the super dip. Oh my God. Is that a dip? What was that? Look at me now, guys. 2024. Holy shit. This was just shot yesterday. And I have to say, it wasn't even the best dance recently. Like, the partner was great. She was very enthusiastic and she was doing the best that she could to follow me, even though I was very high energy. But check it out, guys. Wow, look at that crazy dip. By the way, we didn't rehearse any of this, and maybe this was definitely our first time dancing this song together in that venue or anywhere else. So it looks pretty cool. I mean, one, it was filmed well. Two, we had a nice amount of space around us. Three, she's a good dancer. She has great styling. And then I've added a lot of moves to my repertoire, so I'm able to incorporate them. Not just that, but also the fact that I've been practicing to become smoother. So you can see I'm not bouncing as much, and the movements are much more controlled and emphatic. I'm able to capture the music and worked on my musicality. Even my turns are tighter, and I don't know, I feel like I look cooler than I was back then. Look at that side dip. All right, so my dips have gone better. I have a couple of dips that I can use, practice them a lot. Look at that styling going on. Love it. I actually like this video. It turned out pretty decent. Again, it's not choreographed, it's just us having fun, dancing, a lot of high energy, good music, good sound. And I'm also, notice, I'm wearing my dance shoes. They may look a little like clown shoes, but they're actually really cool. They're Fuego dance shoes. They really help me to spin, move around, be very nimble on a dance floor. And even if I dance outside, it's really comfortable and easy to turn. Nice. I enjoyed dancing with her. It was a fun dance. Usually the types of bachata I like are not necessarily high energy, but a lot of connection and musicality. But this was fun nonetheless. I think I had that salsa energy in me. Look at that. A lot of fun. What do you guys think? Comment below. Let me know. Do you guys dance bachata? Are you familiar with bachata? Are you interested to learn? What's been your journey? Hopefully this can be an inspiration to you guys watching, that, you know, nobody learns to dance on day one. No one I know, at least. It takes practice, it takes repetition, it takes dedication. And I would say this could be my 111-day transformation, because even though it's been 3 years, I don't dance every day. But say I dance 111 days, right? Between that last dance you saw, the cringe dance, versus this. And boom, look at this. Nice dip too. Not bad. I mean, I'm not saying I'm perfect. I can see there's still room for improvement. There's always room for improvement. But I feel like I've come a long way, and I'm really proud of myself. And I want this to be an inspiration for others. Look at that dip. Wow. Spin, 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 dip. Look at those smiley faces. Everyone's happy. All right, guys, let me know what you think. If you haven't already, subscribe below. Thank you again for watching. And let me know what else you'd like to see, because I got tons of dance videos already recorded and more coming up. All right, catch you on the next one. Bye for now.